Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to import your Roblox avatar into Blender. First, open Roblox Studio. On the main screen, look at the top menu and click on the Avatar tab. If you do not see this tab, make sure Roblox Studio is fully updated. Inside the Avatar tab, you will see options to add an avatar model. Click on the option to insert a simple avatar. Roblox Studio will now place an avatar model into your workspace. You can rotate the camera and zoom in to confirm that the avatar is loaded correctly. Next, select the avatar model in the Explorer window. Make sure the full avatar is selected and not just one part. Once the avatar is selected, go to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down menu, choose Export Selection. A window will open asking you where to save the file. Choose a location that is easy to remember. For the file type, select OBJ format. Then click Save. Your avatar is now exported from Roblox Studio. After that, open Blender on your computer. When Blender opens, you can close the default cube scene if it appears. Now go to the top left corner and click on the File tab. In the menu, click on Import. Several format options will appear. Choose Wavefront OBJ, which is the same format you used when exporting the avatar from Roblox. A file browser window will open. Navigate to the folder where you save the avatar file. Click on the OBJ file, then click Open. Blender will now load the avatar into the scene. You may need to zoom out or adjust the view to see the full model clearly. The avatar is now successfully imported into Blender. Thanks for watching.